Alright, what's going on guys, it's ShankyKF and we're back with another guide. Today we're going to be showing you guys how to clean the inside of your gaming PC or any PC in general. And so all you're going to need today is to have your PC open up like this and a bottle of compressed air, which you can find at like Walmart or Amazon or whatever. So really simple, and it's a really simple process. You shouldn't need any like knowledge or anything like that about PC parts, and most of the time your PC will come out of it fine. So yeah, so a few of the things we need to watch out for. If we take a closer look at this fan, I haven't cleaned this PC in a few months. If you have your PC on the floor like I do, you want to clean it, I don't know, every few months or so. If it's a little higher, you can afford to do it like about half year or a year. So you can see there's a bit of dust buildup on the fans here as well, and then also probably on the GPU fan. So we'll start one by one. So generally you just start with short bursts of air from the compressed air here. Oh shit, okay, hold on, you gotta be careful when you're messing with the motherboard. You don't want to kind of mess up the pins or anything like that. Well, I'm gonna pause so I can use both hands, but I lost the straw. Okay, so make sure your straw is like connected properly. So follow the instructions of your compressed air. So there we go, I got it now. So just do a light dusting here. It'll get some of the dust that's just hanging out, kind of going. Jesus. Okay, there's a bit of dust in here. So with the fans, the trick is, I can't really do it with one hand holding the camera, but what you want to do is kind of just stick your finger in while you're blowing it, or else you can see while I was blowing it, the fan moves. So then if you just have your finger there, the fan stops moving, and the dust will come off a lot easier. So we're going to do 3 steps in a row here. We're going to clean this fan right there, that fan, and then the GPU fan here. And then we'll come back to you. Okay, so we're done cleaning the fans. You can see a lot cleaner now. One of the few things you need to watch out for is you don't want to blast too close, because I think there's like compressed, I don't know, some kind of, it's pretty cold. So if you get it on your motherboard or something, it might mess something up. So you want to keep your distance. After we're done the fans, we want to do the power supply down there. So that one's kind of a tight fit. We're just going to go at an angle here and just there we go. And then other than that, you just kind of take a look around, see if anything else is dusty, maybe get the edges. I don't really do this side. This side a little bit there. And then yeah, that's about it. Put your PC back together and make sure you do it again in a few months or so. So yep, very simple process. Make sure you leave a like, comment if you have any questions. I'll try to get to everybody. And yeah, we'll see you all next time. Peace.